going to show you how to look up the smart contract for any token you own, how to take it to ChatGPT, and check if it's safe or not, even if you're not a coder. Let's go. The first thing to know is, in response to Edgar's question here, which comes first, the token or the smart contract? If you have a token, its smart contract is already launched. The smart contract is the set of code that gives the token life. So if you have a token, the smart contract exists. And here's how you can find it. You're going to go to your wallet. For this example, I'm opening a Coinbase wallet on my mobile phone. I just opened a list of tokens on the Polygon network here, and I see one I've never seen before, Dope coin, probably some airdrop. So I'm going to tap it to open up the menu. Now the menu that opens up will look a little different if you're using MetaMask or Shaman or Rainbow Wallet. But in most of them, you are going to see an option for a contract address that you can copy. If you don't see this and you have transactions for the token, like a history of receiving it, you can look it up other ways that we'll talk about in just a minute. But once you've got this contract address, or even if you don't, the next place you're going is a blockchain explorer. Now remember earlier I said I was on the Polygon network? Look, I searched Polygon scan, and you could do the same thing for whatever network your tokens were on, which you can usually tell from your wallet because there's almost always a little logo representing the blockchain that you can verify against anything that comes up in a search, or that you can verify on their official page or whatever. A lot of projects will have their blockchain explorers, or ones that work for their chain, listed on their website. Let's go to Polygon scan. Now, knowing how to navigate a blockchain explorer is one of the most important skills you need to master in crypto, and it's intimidating because it is new, but it is not difficult, and you can learn it. The same way one time you were scared of learning Google, but you got it down now. That's what the blockchain explorer is like. This allows us to search by address, meaning the token's contract address or a wallet address, by the transaction hash. Each interaction on chain has like a receipt. That's what we call this. You can search all kinds of information here to track movements of money and other important information on chain. Now, remember I said maybe you won't find that contract address in your wallet. Well, if you don't, you can copy your wallet address by clicking a button that usually says receive and displays wallet address, or it might say public address or public key with a little button to copy. That's your wallet address. You might have one for multiple networks. Some wallets only support one network. We can talk about all that in the comments, but for now, you've either got the contract address or your wallet address, and you're going to paste it here and click search. Now, since I grabbed the contract address, that's what it searched. And as you can see on the page that appears, there's a little overview. If you scroll down, there's plenty of information. It'll tell you who created this contract. At transaction, whatever, is just when they created this contract. If I clicked this transaction, I'd see another page open.